So currently the crypto market, we are seeing some pretty huge drop-offs in some major crypto prices. And this is just a couple of weeks, 2-3 weeks after the halving. It's got a lot of people scared, a lot of people selling. And I think it's important to talk about this because this is a pretty common theme. This is just showing exactly what has happened in previous cycles. So I want to talk about it. So after the halving, I think a lot of people expected all of their cryptos to surge in prices. But if you were in the crypto space, you could tell that before the halving occurred, crypto prices were going up a decent amount. And you could see a lot of people expecting a lot more out of these cryptos in the short term. Now, did that happen? No, we are currently sitting at lots of lows for some projects. Obviously, during or before the halving, we saw lots of projects increase in price significantly. We're not seeing that anymore. We saw huge drop-offs after the halving and before the halving, short time before it, a week before, we saw it start to dip. And that eventually has led to now where we are dipping even more. And a lot of people are scared. Like I said, they expected a lot more out of this, and they are down in their portfolios. Lots of fear going around in the markets. And if you've known anything about just investing in general, when there's fear, that usually hints that you should buy. Now, obviously, that's not the case for everything. You can buy into a project that's dipping. It could never recover. However, for some strong projects that are just falling victim to the fear in the current markets, buying in right now could be one of the best decisions you make. Again, with the Bitcoin halving, in terms of just looking at previous halvings, what we expect this halving bull cycle, this euphoric growth, to pick up anywhere from October to January. So October of this year to January of next year, it could pick up. Obviously, that could not happen. But based off trends, based off everything that's been going on, that is a good prediction. Okay, maybe it happens sooner, maybe it happens later. So with that being in mind, you got a long time to wait. And if you believe in the crypto markets, if you believe in everything, then it would be smart to take advantage of these dips, buy in, because you have a long time to wait. And who knows how many dips there are going to be before we actually see a bull cycle come in. Well, progress, because we are technically in a bull cycle. But to see it grow as much as it can, that is what we are waiting for, guys. So the moral of this video is just to understand that quit checking your portfolio. Just let it go. If you want to add some money into crypto, then you can go on your portfolio, throw some in. But just relax and enjoy this wonderful world we're in. And don't even stress about it. There's lots of people who stress about it and it just gets to them, so just don't. Because, again, if you have high conviction with this, just wait 6, 10, 12 months. And your waiting will be rewarded. Because, I mean, look at all these paper hands who are selling everything, scared. Maybe it'll reward them in the short term, but then when they see the prices surge, they're going to feel left out. They're going to be angry. They're going to be upset. So just keep that in mind, guys. We have a long time to go. Don't stress about it. Especially with Aerodrome. Aerodrome's down to around 90-something cents. It did hit 82, but then it bounced up to about $1.10, but its cents came down back to 95 cents. Perfect buying opportunity right now. There's lots of FUD in Aerodrome. Lots of people, not trusting Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the biggest centralized exchanges. So for people to not trust Coinbase, that shows how much fear is in the market. That shows that there's immense buying opportunities right now. And I'm not going to give you specific recommendations because I don't know everything. I can give you general advice, but I can't give you specifics. But if it was me, I would be throwing a lot of money into Aerodrome right now. There could be dips lower. I say the maximum bottom we could see before getting really concerned is around 75 cents. But that's going to be it, guys. Just a real informative video, quick, short, informative video here on Wednesday to really just share the current stage of the market and if you should be worried at all. So with that being said, guys, I will post more crypto updates. I'll have a video out Friday this week as well. So I'll see you guys later.